Okay, let's do a quick recap of Thursday and Friday's trades, and then I'll move on to today's watch list. So this is for Thursday. Didn't do much anything notable. Closed my BAS swing. Had some quick day trades on the short side on these stocks. Had a long on this one, had a short on this one, long on this one, short on this one, and a long on this one. So overall, my day trades I was up maybe 2,000 on my day trades. Swings worked out great. Almost all of my swings were up on the day. So that was Thursday, and this is Friday. Again, nothing notable. I made some money on the day trades, and yeah, I added to my LL position, my position trade on that one. I also opened a swing trade on this one since it kind of broke out of this tight formation and has a strong catalyst. I think next target would be high 30s. Yeah, so that's Friday. Okay, let's move on to today's watch list. I'm looking at this SJM for a potential bounce trade. Today will be day 3, and the idea is to find an intraday setup where I can risk maybe 50-70 cents to make a couple of bucks on the upside. Nothing to knife catch, in other words. Then I have just some random watches. I'm gonna take most of them off. HMNY. I'm trying to get more on dips. It broke out on Friday. Had a little bit of volume. I tried to get some on dips on Friday. I only got filled like 300 shares. But yeah, like 340s, 330s if it can get down there. I hope it won't go down there, but if it gets down there, I'm gonna try to buy some more. OSTK broke out on Friday. This thing, I think, biggest reason it's going up is it has a blockchain business. They are hyping up. I'll try to get some on dips in the low 20s or high 19s if it gets there, and use a tight stop. I'm not super excited about the base on this one. It's kind of short, so I'm not gonna do any size on it probably. This thing has a FDA decision in 2 weeks. May have a little bit of run up into that. So looking for dips, a lot of dips on my watch list. So this one, not really excited about it. If it has big volume breakout, I may buy some. It's a steel stock. I'd rather, if steel breaks out, I'd rather do CLF or something like that. More liquid. So not really excited about this one. So no, this is no buy on this one. This one looks tight, has good earnings. This is really tight looking, has earnings coming up in a few days. So may have a little bit of run up into it. So my thinking is if I can risk 30 cents or so to make a buck or $2 on the upside, because it's a really good looking flag. High lows all the way. Can very easily go to mid-high 23s before the earnings. Another one, tight setup, recent IPO, very thin, looks okay. This one, super good earnings, looks very tight. If you remember, I was long it here, I bought it here somewhere, and then I got stopped out of it. Another recent IPO. Okay, so I have a lot of things in my short watch list. Let's see, what's the market doing? The market is about unchanged today. So I was hoping for a gap up in the markets to easily identify stocks with relative weakness, but One I'm watching this AVO. This approval was the EU approval was expected, so I think it may be sell the news. It's a big runner the past few months, and I was actually long it on this day, and I lost 8,000 on it, being long on this day down here, since it sold off late day, and I got stopped out, and I had a lot of size. And this would have been a big trade if I hadn't got stopped out. So it's very annoying to see it up at $5 in pre-market. So could be a sell the news. This could be a day 3 short. This one is not ready yet. So most of these I just want them to like go higher and then look for some weakness to enter. So current position is gonna go through them really fast. Some I have moved my stops up a little bit. Shopify sold some Thursday and Friday. I only have like a third of my position left, I think, or less than half. I still think it can go, like, I don't know, 115 or so with a little bit of patience. XXII, just digesting its recent move. Another one I'm looking for spots to add. This one I bought on Thursday. Some really smart biotech people are very bullish on this thing, and it had a nice little breakout candle on Thursday, so I thought it was a good risk reward. Maybe it can go back to 50 or something. MYOK, still have my shares, just every day it's going up a little bit. This one I bought on Friday, end of day, kind of faded into the close, but today it had a initiation at Morgan Stanley 27 target, which is a lot higher than where it closed, so maybe it will finally break through that 1650 range. So this one I have in another account. Strong earnings, looks very strong, like higher lows all the way after the gap up, looks really good. Another one I'm long, just higher lows all the way, keeps going higher. CBay bought on Friday in another account, in my third account, which I'm not really talking a lot about here. I'm not showing the P&L on it because it's my smallest account, and I just try to do some random trades in there. This one looked good, higher lows, closed weak, so we'll see. Maybe I'll get stopped out. I was like a penny from getting stopped out on Friday. PI is also in my smallest account, been an absolute monster. I bought it in the 32 area, and went up 20% or almost, or okay, maybe 17%. Very fast. I still have about half. I think it can go back to low mid 40s eventually. We'll see about that. So LL I added on Friday. So I have 2 trades in it. That's the reason I have 2 stop areas. So this area, stop area, is for my swing trade, and this is for my position trade. So my swing trade, I'm thinking, if it can go up another couple of bucks, I'll sell it into strength, and I'll keep my position trade in case it wants like 45, 50 in the next few months. I sold some on Friday, really strong, moved up my stop. I think it can go up another couple of bucks until the next earnings report. So right now it's just super strong. And HMNY I already talked about, was very strong on Friday. So today's scappers, nothing notable really. Some buyouts and some upgrades and nothing special. Okay, that's it. Very quick video today.